Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. It's rare to find something that's both affordable and genuinely impressive, but this one nails it perfectly. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly what. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. It's